this is high time that it should be included in the curriculum, not as a government but as a citizen. I am suggesting in the curriculum, Swami Vivekananda's life, Sister Nivedita and others should be included for the betterment of our nation, and I am sure that again our country will become the Vishwaguru. The trend is, you can see in Great Britain, you see, now we are the fourth economy in the world according to me, but even latest official record says that fifth country in the world, fifth economy in the world. But fifth economy, anyway they are accepted. What does it mean? The Britishers were now only in the sixth position. So we are far ahead than that. And Winston Churchill once told, no, we need not give freedom to Indians. They are not capable of handling it. Churchill, no, we need not give freedom. These people are not up to the expectation. They have no ambition. But you see, when I was swearing as the governor, I am committing myself to Constitution of India. But in Great Britain, there is no written constitution. So the book of faith is a basis for swearing. Now, I would like to say that the present Prime Minister of UK is is a very ambition. Prime Ministership, I don't know. I'm searching, I couldn't get it. That touching on Bhagavad Gita, that the present Prime Minister took his notes. Like that, Portugal, the present Prime Minister is a government individual. If you go to the Dutch, the parliament, two prominent members are from Indian origin. All countries you take, France, recently France Prime Minister stated that to solve the Ukraine and the Russian war, the only person who can do that is Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India. Mexico, they have moved a resolution now. It is not considered so far. In that resolution, moved by Mexico officially, they suggested 3 names to solve the present crisis problems, war atmosphere in the world. 5 years, 3 persons may be appointed for that purpose. One is UN Secretary General, another is Pope, and thirdly, the Prime Minister of India. So, in such a situation, I think the dream of Swami Vivekananda, the dream of Maharishi Aravinda, I am not confined to the religion, but all people, the unity of the nation, based on that, inspired by Swami Vivekananda and others, I am sure that Vishwaguru position is not far away from India.